is Shana, and this is my dog Vinny, and we live in our 2019 Sprinter 3500 dually with a 170 wheelbase. We're excited to show you Pamela Vanderson. I bought Pamela Vanderson last August, so it's almost been a year now since I've been traveling. I started out part-time, figuring out the nuances of the van, made some modifications after a couple months, and then have been full-time ever since. All right, Vinny, you ready to show him your area? Can you say hi? Yeah, go bed. Go bed. This is Vinny's area down here with his dog bed. And then up above, I've got a 4-in-1 microwave, oven, convection. Then up above, I love all the storage in the van. I actually have a full closet. So clothes and then storage underneath, and these little baskets here for more storage, bathroom accessories and things. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom now. The light switch is here. It's separate from the rest of the cabin area. And welcome to the bathroom. So I've got a full shower and toilet. The toilet is a urine diverting toilet. I only go number 1 here. There is no number 2 hookup. The shower has hot water. The shower head was also an upgrade too. It's very important to conserve on water while you're traveling. So this shower head has a pulse button here. So I'm able to turn it off and pause it or decrease the water pressure while I'm using the shower so I can conserve the most water. The shower has a 23-gallon freshwater tank. And it's got 2 gray tanks underneath as well, 1 for the urine and 2 for the gray water for the shower. And then the sink is actually on its separate water system. I've got a 15-gallon tank dedicated to the sink only, so they're not using the same water source. And then this also has its own gray water tank as well. So they're all 3 on separate systems, which is really nice. It's convenient. Sometimes I can save on shower water while I'm traveling if I'm not showering, and then I know I'm only using sink water, etc. And this is my sink setup. It's on a swivel head, and I've got 2 different options for spraying. It can reach all the way outside too if I need that option. I love the sink, however, I do wish it was a little bit wider. It's kind of hard to do a lot of dishes in here, so you just have to stay on top of it. And then I've got several storage drawers here. I've got a utensil drawer, coffee mug. It's kind of yard sale in there, but it all stays put. Snack drawer here. And then the bigger drawer down at the bottom holds my Keurig and cappuccinos for in the morning. Over here I've got more like a junk drawer. Supplements, things like that. I have a Dometic fridge down below. I wish it was bigger. It's a mini fridge, so it is what it is. I grocery shop maybe every other day and pick up miscellaneous items, but that's part of life now. I love the large countertop space that I have here. So it feels like a van full-size kitchen to me. So plenty of space here to make whatever I'm doing. And then we'll go up here. I've got a fan for airflow. I use the window awning to pull and help draw air in for the fan, so that's nice to keep the temperature down in here. The backsplash is a stick-on material. Everybody that comes in thinks that it looks real, but it's not. It's just sticker, so that was one thing that I upgraded myself. I also did the spice rack up above. It's on magnets. This thing has not moved at all, so the magnets are a good win. I've gone down some pretty rocky roads, and these have never budged or dropped. Fruit basket. I got this idea from some friends of mine, Ashley and Eric. So this is great. It doesn't jingle around like or the netting basket would, so it's in a fixed position here. I've got kitchen storage up above, and then this is the control center area, so this tells me my battery percent, and I've got a Bluetooth, so it hooks up to my phone while I'm driving. I can check on things. And on this side I've got more kitchen essentials, so this is where I keep these 2 here are all food items. I've got my water center here, so my water gauges tell me my fresh water and my gray tanks are full or empty. These are my switches to drop the gray tanks or turn on the shower pump with my Max Air fan here as well. And the other thing that I love about the the cabinets is that they are shallower than the countertop space. So it gives me plenty of room here to open up the cabinets while I'm cooking or whatnot. Down below, I have a induction cooktop. I've got a cover for it just in case things do drop down. And keep this nice and clean and uncracked. I love the induction cooktop. Down below are more kitchen essentials. So this is, bags, little goodies, cookware, and then down below is the heaviest drawer. So I do have locks on it while I'm driving. This one tended to always come unmagnetized. So it's got the heavier cookware items and bowls and things. Welcome to my dining bedroom area. So I have 2 bench seats. These were put in after I bought the van. So I remodeled from the countertops back. So 2 bench seats on either side can fit a friend or another traveler with me. And then I've got the Lagoon table, which I love, on the swivel. And this tucks through nicely. I can put it over this bench seat here so that it is completely out of the way when I'm not using it. And then turning it, both people can enjoy the table. So I eat dinner here. I also use this as a workspace. It's great. Under the bench seats, I've got storage as well. So, for example, this one houses all my dirty laundry. So that's convenient. It's hidden and out of the way. And then there's more storage under here, van items that I don't use as regularly. The bed is a pull-out sliding bed. So I've got 2 latches on it on both sides to lock it for when I'm driving, so it won't slide away. And it pulls out all the way to the edge of the countertops. The mattress is a queen size, so I'm lucky I've got a decent sized bed in my van, and I sleep lengthways of the van. The mattress is an RV mattress. It's a quad fold that I was able to find, and it will flatten out. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Welcome to my bedroom. So the back 4 cabinets here are a little bit wider than the front kitchen cabinets for more storage. All clothes items here, so I've got a lot of storage in the back. All 4 cabinets are for clothes. The bed is, like I said, queen size, but I do have space here on the side as well, so I keep a book or my laptop sometimes along the sides. The bed was built at a height so that whenever I'm sleeping comfortably, the cabinets actually don't bother me at all. Underneath I keep my sticker collection of all the national parks that I visited, and also underneath I have these dimmable puck lights from Amazon. These are great, probably one of my favorite items. You can recharge them and then they go under there with a magnet. On this side I have a window. I do wish I had windows on both sides for security reasons at night so that I could look out on either side. But this window is great, so it helps with the max air fan here. Whenever it's a hot day, I can open this window and draw cool air in and out. And welcome to my garage. I'm transitioning to have my bikes inside. You saw the bike rack on the outside was empty. This is just so that I'm a little bit more stealthy, and for weather reasons I wanted my expensive gear inside the van. So I'll work my way from over on this side. I've got my 2 water hose entry to fill up, and I've got shower tank on top and kitchen tank on the bottom with my hot water heater here. I do have a portable shower, which is great for beach days, cleaning off Vinny, washing off the bikes, just miscellaneous work that I need to do where I just need separate water. Got my mountain bike here, some storage and stuff in between the beams here of the bed. My gravel bike. This bag is my hose. So I've got a hose hookup for filling up the water. My one wheels with my storage here and lever to slide in and out, like so. And then I've got a lot of hobbies, so the garage is fully utilized. I've got a paddleboard here, inflatable paddleboard as well in the garage, a second one wheel, and I've got a lot of workout equipment everywhere. With some hanging baskets. This is the switch to turn on the hot water, so I have to come around back. Before I take a shower, flip the switch and then turn the switch off when I'm done. And my 3 100 amp hour batteries are here as well. So I've got water on one side that is separate from the electrical components. And on the roof, I've got the 3 100 watt solar panels. And on the roof, I've got 3 100 watt solar panels and an Illuminess rack on the top as well. Thank you guys for joining us on my van tour of Pamela Vanderson. If you'd like to follow along on our travels, you can find me on Instagram, Shana Weldon 0913. Hope to see you guys on the road. Right, Vinny? Say bye. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.